Welcome to Earning with Bits. Today we are going to check out Coinpayz. You can start by creating an account. Once you confirm your email, you can log in. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard on the left-hand side. Your coin balance is at the top of the dashboard and your Shortlinks, Faucet, offer wall and PTC ads are located below. Click on the Faucet tab. Now solve the CAPTCHA on the right side of the screen. Make sure to block any pop-ups. Now check your balance to make sure it's updated. Next, click on the PTC tab in your dashboard. Select one of the iframe or window ads and watch it until the timer runs out. Solve the CAPTCHA to confirm your view. Now do this for all the ads. When you're done watching all the PTC ads, you can do tasks on the offer wall or Shortlinks. Once you reach the withdrawal limit, you can withdraw your coins to Faucet Pay. If you don't have a Faucet Pay wallet, you can get one by clicking on the link in the description. Now we are going to take a look at Cointiply. Sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see your balance at the top right and your dashboard at the top left. As you can see, there are plenty of ways to earn in Cointiply. You can watch videos, play games, or do tasks in the offer wall. There's even a multiplier if you want to try and double your coins. Click on Earn at the top next to Dashboard and select Roll the Faucet. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your coins. Next, select PTC. Click on one of the ads and watch it until the timer is complete. Validate your view by selecting the proper icon. Now check your balance to make sure it's credited. When you're done watching all the PTC ads, you can do tasks on the offer wall or Shortlinks. Shortlinks are a good way to boost your coin balance so you can cash out faster. Once you get to 30,000 coins, you can withdraw to your Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or Dash wallet. You can see your payment proof below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.